Hello and welcome back to your journey learning Python programming. In this video, I want to introduce one more tool, date picker. Okay, data entry form, you can say date picker, anything you can say, but in this TK Bootstrap library, it's a date entry. Okay, now I want to show you with the example. Here we have an option, date picker, okay, date entry. Click here, the calendar will be there. You can select any date. Select on the date. Okay, so basically we are selecting the date. I say print and your date is, and we are getting the data from these tools and we print here in the label. Okay, so let's start. How can we use it? So basically I'm calling TTK. It's the alias of my this TTK Bootstrap library. Dot entry is the date entry is my tool's name. I'm saying style is danger because it's in red color. Root is my place. I want to print in my roots library. Select the position button. The same thing I'm doing here. Display as per in previous examples. It's calling again DTP. It's my variable name. Dot entry dot get. The command is to getting the data. DTP. It's my variable name. Dot entry dot get. Okay. So there is only very simple changes. Dot entry dot get is getting the data from variable name and print in this label. Label config text is equal to again use concatenation here. Txt is equal to your date plus variable 1. Okay, and it's printing the value in the variable 1. Let's show you one more time. Date picker. Select any date. Click on the print. It's calling basically this display function. Getting the value and we print in the label. Okay, it's very simple and easy. Keep practicing, keep learning. See you in the next video.